Welcome to the future of productivity and comfort. Today, we're diving into the world of the best Vevor standing desk. This remarkable piece of furniture isn't just a desk, it's a game changer. Say goodbye to sedentary workdays and hello to a dynamic, ergonomic, and stylish workspace. In this video, we'll explore the sleek design, innovative features, and health benefits that make the Vevor standing desk the ultimate choice for modern professionals. Buckle up as we take you on a journey to elevate your work experience. Let's dive in and discover how this desk can transform your daily grind for the better. The fifth product on our list is the Vevor Gas Spring Height Adjustable Sit-Stand Desk. The Vevor Gas Spring Height Adjustable Sit-Stand Desk is a game changer for those seeking an adaptable and efficient workspace. With a pneumatic gas spring system, it effortlessly adjusts from 26.4-inch to 44.9-inch, allowing users to switch between sitting and standing with ease. This promotes healthier posture, reduces back pain, and enhances overall well-being. Durability is a standout feature thanks to its robust construction. Crafted from high-quality 15mm thickened particle board, it can handle up to 40 pounds of weight. The H-shaped dual poles and 0.8mm thickened steel frame provide exceptional stability, ensuring your office supplies and devices remain secure without any wobbling. Versatility is key, offering two adjustable platforms that cater to various needs, from a multi-monitor computer desk to a training podium. One platform tilts from 0 to 45 degrees, accommodating different work angles. Mobility is seamless with four 360-degree rotation wheels, allowing you to move the desk to any location. Reliable brakes ensure quick stops and secure positioning. With a spacious 23.6-inch by 23.6-inch desktop, it accommodates multiple devices and offers ample room for various tasks. At number 4 is the Vevor Standing Desk Converter 2-Tier Stand-Up Desk Riser. The Vevor Standing Desk Converter is a game changer for anyone seeking an ergonomic and efficient workspace. With a range of impressive features, it offers a comfortable and adaptable solution for professionals looking to enhance their work experience. One of its standout features is the generous 31.5-inch desk top, capable of supporting weights up to 44 pounds. This spacious surface accommodates various office setups with monitors and laptops, providing ample room for multitasking and organization. The single-hand height adjustment is a game changer for ergonomics. Using a simple lever, users can effortlessly transition between sitting and standing positions, with a height range of 5.5-inch to 20.1-inch. This feature not only enhances comfort but also helps alleviate back pain and boosts energy and work efficiency. Stability is a strong suit of this stand-up desk converter. Its pneumatic lift mechanism and X-shaped carbon steel frame provide robust support, backed by over 40,000 tests to ensure the reliability of its pneumatic spring. Four slip-proof foot pads at the bottom of the frame guarantee unwavering stability. The enhanced office experience is evident with the built-in phone slot, monitor stand holes, cable management space, and cable clips. These thoughtful additions simplify phone viewing and cable organization while maintaining a clean and sleek workspace. At number 3 is the Vevor Mobile Standing Desk Rolling Laptop Desk. The Vevor Mobile Standing Desk Rolling Laptop Desk is a versatile and practical addition to any workspace. With a range of impressive features, it offers a comfortable and ergonomic solution for professionals seeking to enhance their productivity and well-being. One of its standout features is the effortless adjustable height, with a range of 34.1-inch to 47.2-inch. This flexibility allows users to switch between sitting and standing positions with ease, reducing the negative effects of prolonged sitting and promoting energy and productivity. The 3-tier design is another highlight, providing an ergonomic placement for your keyboard, mouse, and monitors. The ample tabletop and substantial shelves offer space to store various office essentials, from pens and books to computers and devices, helping you maintain an organized workspace. Durability is a strong suit of this mobile laptop desk. Constructed with thick metal and MDF boards, it boasts a heavy-duty and high-quality steel frame that can handle a substantial load of up to 154 pounds. This robust construction ensures maximum stability and sturdiness. The four smooth rolling caster wheels with 360 degrees rotation and brakes make it easy to move the desk even on carpeted surfaces and lock it securely in position when needed. At number 2 on our list is the Vevor Electric Dual Monitor Riser Workstation. The Vevor Electric Dual Monitor Riser Workstation is a game changer for anyone seeking a versatile and efficient workspace solution. This sit-stand desk offers a range of features that make it a standout addition to any office or home office setup. First and foremost, the adjustable desk feature is incredibly valuable. With a height range of 28.3 inch to 45.1 inch, it caters to individual preferences, promoting ergonomic comfort. The 3 memory presets on the push-button controller simplify the process of finding your preferred height, enhancing user convenience. The inclusion of drawers is a practical touch, providing space to organize and store office supplies, helping to keep your workspace tidy and efficient. Durability is a strong suit of this desk. Its pure copper motor, tested for over 50,000 lifts, ensures exceptional stability and reliability. Supported by a robust dual-beam metal frame, it boasts a weight capacity of 180 pounds, making it suitable for various tasks. The one-piece tabletop is not only robust but also resistant to cracking, and the 4 adjustable support pads provide stability even on uneven surfaces. Safety features such as anti-collision technology and child lock protection demonstrate the manufacturer's commitment to user well-being, making it a suitable choice for families with children. At number 1 is the Vevor Height Adjustable Desk. The Vevor Height Adjustable Desk is a versatile and well-designed solution for modern workspaces. Its standout features make it a practical addition to any office or home office setup. The desk's height adjustability, ranging from 28.3 inch to 45.1 inch, is a game changer for ergonomics. It caters to individual preferences with its 3 memory presets, allowing users to switch seamlessly between sitting and standing positions. This flexibility promotes comfort and reduces the strain of extended desk work. The spacious 55.1 inch by 27.6 inch desktop offers ample room for multitasking while helping maintain an organized workspace. The inclusion of hooks on each side is a thoughtful touch, providing convenient storage for items like headphones and umbrellas, helping to declutter your workspace. Durability is a strong suit of this desk. The pure copper motor, which has undergone over 50,000 lift tests, ensures exceptional stability and reliability. The sturdy dual-beam metal frame supports a weight capacity of 180 pounds, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. The one-piece tabletop is robust and resistant to cracking, and the 4 adjustable support pads provide stability, even on uneven surfaces. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.